Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and today I've got out some cheap Christmas wreaths that came from the dollar store. I think I paid $4 a piece for these. Yeah, dollar store, and everything's over a dollar, but that's the way things go these days. And these are going to be decorations that I'm going to hang in my mother's room in the nursing home. And I thought I'd just fancy them up a little bit more by adding a few more dollar store goodies to these two wreaths to kind of fill them out. So I'm not really sure what this is going to look like when I'm done. I've got a good base here with these things, although there's all kinds of stuff dropping off of these right now. I've got my glue gun heated up, and we're just going to play around. Now, I did purchase a couple of spools of red and green wired ribbon from the dollar store for $1.25. This is at Dollarama, which is a Canadian dollar store, very popular here. And I'm not sure if I can loop any of this ribbon in around here. So I'm just going to move this one off to the side, bring this one in, pull off some of this ribbon, and just see here what could happen. I think I could probably, I don't know, it's not a lot of space here. I think I'm going to just cut off some of this ribbon so it's a little easier to work with. And let's see what we can do. So I've got these berries and things, but I think I can get underneath. Yeah, I think I'll need to glue gun this edge. Now I'll let you in on a little secret. I don't like using glue guns. The reason I don't like using glue guns is because of the strings and the whole bit. But in this case, I think I'm going to have to. Now I hope that's going to hold. And we'll just weave some of this stuff out and about. Just tucking it in here and there. That's why I got the wired ribbon, because wired ribbon is a little easier to manipulate and it holds its shape. This just adds a little color into the background. Put a little glue. Actually, I'm putting a lot of glue. Just hold that down and I'll trim off the end. Glue gun doesn't seem to be holding very well at the moment. Let it cool down a little bit more and move this one out of our way for now. I think I'll work on one wreath at a time. That way I know what the pitfalls are. Okay. So now, excuse me, now we have some ribbon on here. Just shoosh it up a little bit. New word, shoosh. Okay, that already there makes this look a little bit nicer. Now, what else did I buy? Let me see. I bought 2 cheap candle rings that I want the poinsettias off. It was cheaper to buy them already like this than to buy single stems. So I just want to get out the glue gun. Oh. This glue gun is not cooperating with me because I'm not getting the glue into. Oh, there we go. Oops, there's one of those stupid strings. Maybe a smaller one down in here. Scissors, where did I put my scissors? There they are. Okay, should I do... Now I bought some, let me put these off to the side. And I bought some of these glittery ones. I couldn't get 2 packages of gold. They have a little clip on the end of them, but I think I'll take the little clip off. And I'm just going to stick these in wherever. To add a little sparkle. Can't have too much sparkle at Christmas time, I guess. Not so sure if that's holding down there or not. Give it a few more seconds. And it's not. So what do I need to do? Okay, ooh. Strings. That's what I don't like about glue guns. Okay, count to 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, etc., etc. Okay. Come back to that. Should we use one of these green ones? Can't hurt. I know I'm going to be covered in little sparkles here. I'm being very generous with the glue because I don't want anything falling. Oops, that's hot. Okay, burn. I should not be allowed to play with a glue gun. Okay, hold that in there for a bit. I think that one's stuck okay. Okay, and let's see, what else? Guess I need something up there too to balance this off. Maybe another green one. Now, one thing that's kind of tricky about buying plastic when you're using a glue gun is sometimes the plastic can melt on your ornaments. Okay, see, there's one of my berries just fell off, but that's okay. Alright, this is starting to look pretty nice. Now, I did buy a few other little thingies here. I bought some little string-like balls. I don't know what you'd call these. And I'm just wondering if we should use these or not. That might look okay up there. Oh, need another glue stick. So really, you can make some decent looking Christmas decorations on a budget. I don't like spending a lot of money on really fancy Christmas decorations because I don't do that much decorating to start with at Christmas. And you know, they only come out for a few weeks in the year. And you know, that's like, why spend an arm and a leg? I'd rather spend more money on the food and things like that. That's just me. And I'm just trying to bury these in the interior sort of thing. Although that one at the top I didn't really bury all that well. But maybe I can do something about that. And I think I need one more. Wow. Glitter everywhere, on me included. I'm hoping this glue will hold these balls because they're kind of the round shape and against some irregular shapes here, so that's why I'm really being generous with my glue. Okay, that's looking pretty decent. Do I need to put anything else? Did I buy anything else? Didn't really buy anything else. Okay, but I'm thinking that's looking pretty nifty. That ball's a little in the... I wonder if I can... Well, it'll do. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm going to go and do the same thing on the other wreath, and then I'll be back. That is, if I can figure out how to turn this thing off. Okay, so I've finished my wreaths. Here's one of them. We'll call this the red wreath. And I'm trying to get it all into my shot here. Here we go. And the other one I will refer to as the green wreath. And they're looking pretty good considering that they're all made with dollar store products. And to hang them, I got this hanger, and I added the poinsettia and some ribbon to it, and it'll just fit in here like that, and it'll hang up on a door. Kind of an odd angle here, trying to get it all into the shot, but as you can see, that's how they're going to look. So yeah, you can do some nice looking Christmas decorations on a budget and with supplies from the dollar store. And after all this, since the glitter is still falling off of this is the one problem of buying something at a dollar store, cheap glitter, I'm going to spray the whole thing with a clear fixative spray just to help cut down the amount of glitter that's going to fall off of this, because after all, this is going into a nursing home and I don't think they need to have the residents covered in sparkle. Or maybe they do. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little DIY for Christmas, and maybe you want to give it a try. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.